In the tapestry of Islam, dua holds a sacred thread, connecting us to the Almighty. It is more than just words, it is a profound act of faith and devotion. It is a conversation with the divine, a heartfelt plea to the one who hears and responds. Through dua, we express our deepest desires, our fears, and our gratitude. Every whisper, every uttered word carries the weight of our hopes and fears. It is a moment of vulnerability and trust, where we lay bare our souls before Allah. When we make dua, we acknowledge Allah's power and mercy. We recognize that He is the ultimate source of all that we seek. We surrender our worries to Him, seeking His guidance and solace. In doing so, we find a sense of peace and reassurance that we are not alone. This act of submission itself brings tranquility to our hearts. It is a reminder that we are under the care of a loving and merciful Creator. Dua is a source of strength, especially in times of adversity. It empowers us to face challenges with a renewed sense of hope and determination. It reminds us that we are not alone in our struggles. The collective power of dua can bring communities together, fostering a sense of unity and support. Remember, Allah is closer to us than our jugular vein. This closeness is a source of comfort and strength, knowing that He is always near. Turn to Him, for He is always listening. In every moment of joy or sorrow, in every plea and praise, He is there, ready to respond with His infinite wisdom and mercy. Among the countless duas bestowed upon us, there's one particularly potent in its simplicity: Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. This phrase, though short, carries a depth of meaning that resonates with the hearts of believers. These words, translating to "sufficient for us is Allah, and He is the best disposer of affairs," hold immense power. They remind us that in times of distress and uncertainty, we have a divine protector who is always there for us. This dua is rooted in trust and reliance on Allah. It is a powerful affirmation that no matter the challenges we face, we are never alone. It is a declaration of faith, acknowledging His absolute control over all matters. By reciting this dua, we are reminded of the importance of surrendering our worries and fears to Him. When we say Hasbunallahu, we affirm that Allah alone is enough for us, that His help is all we need. This simple yet profound statement can bring immense peace to our hearts. Ni'mal Wakil further emphasizes this trust, signifying that He is the best trustee, the best protector, and the best guide. It reassures us that we are in the safest hands. This dua encapsulates complete surrender to His will. It is a reminder that true peace and contentment come from placing our trust in Allah, knowing that He will always guide us through life's journey. Life is a tapestry woven with threads of joy and sorrow, ease and hardship. In the face of daily challenges, this dua serves as a shield and a guiding light. Feeling overwhelmed by work, anxious about an upcoming exam, concerned about a loved one's well-being? Turn to this dua. Repeat it with sincerity and conviction. When we wholeheartedly believe that Allah is sufficient for us, a sense of calm washes over us. Our anxieties lessen, replaced by a quiet confidence in His plan. Remember, no matter how small the problem, Allah is always there to hear your plea. There once lived a poor farmer who, despite his meager earnings, remained steadfast in his faith. Every day, he toiled under the scorching sun, his hands calloused from the hard work. One year, a severe drought plagued his land, threatening his livelihood. The once fertile soil turned to dust, and the crops withered away. Desperate, he turned to Allah, seeking divine intervention. He repeated Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil with unwavering faith. Days turned into weeks and the drought persisted. The skies remained clear and the sun beat down mercilessly. Yet the farmer never lost hope. He continued his prayers, believing that relief would come. One night, a powerful storm swept through the land. While others panicked, the farmer remained calm, trusting in Allah's plan. The winds howled and the rain poured down in torrents. The next morning, the farmer awoke to find his land watered by the storm, his crops saved. The once parched fields were now lush and green. His unwavering faith and reliance on Allah through the dua had been rewarded. The farmer knelt in prayer, his heart filled with gratitude for the miracle that had saved his livelihood. Incorporating Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil into our daily lives is simple yet profound. Begin by reciting it after your obligatory prayers. Make it a habit to say it whenever you face a challenge, big or small. Whisper it when anxiety creeps in, when fear threatens to consume you, and when life's uncertainties weigh you down. As you consistently turn to Allah with this dua, you'll find a newfound strength within you. You'll begin to approach challenges with more resilience, knowing that He is with you every step of the way. Remember, the journey to a blessed life is paved with dua. It is through constant communication with our Creator that we find solace, guidance, and strength. Make Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil your shield and your solace. Let these powerful words be a reminder of Allah's unwavering support and love. Start today. Embrace the power of this dua and witness the transformative impact it has on your life.